There is a reason nights feel deeper than mornings. Not darker, not quieter, deeper. At night, the world begins to slow down. The traffic fades. The notifications stop. The noise of everyone else starts disappearing. And when the outside world gets quiet, the inside world gets louder. During the day, your mind is distracted. Tasks, messages, deadlines, conversations. Your brain keeps jumping from one thing to another. But at night, there is nothing left to chase. So your thoughts finally catch up to you. The memories you ignored in the morning return. The questions you avoided reappear. The emotions you buried under productivity rise to the surface. That's why a simple thought at 1 p.m. feels manageable, but the same thought at 1 a.m. feels life-changing. Because night removes the mask of busyness, and humans have always felt this. For thousands of years, darkness meant uncertainty. When the sun disappeared, people became more alert, more reflective, more aware of danger. Your modern brain still carries that ancient wiring. So when night comes, your senses become sharper, and your emotions can feel heavier. Even time feels different. In the morning, everything moves forward. People wake up, cars move, shops open, energy rises. But at night, time stretches. Minutes feel longer. Silence feels wider. Thoughts feel endless. This is why people make dramatic decisions at night. Why loneliness hits harder after midnight. Why old love feels stronger under moonlight. Why dreams feel more believable in darkness. Night is not changing your life. It is revealing what daylight helped you ignore. And maybe that's why some people fear the night, while others need it. Because when the world finally goes silent, you meet the version of yourself that daytime keeps hidden,